Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Equipment Remarket. I'm going to give you a nice video of this 2005 Moffett M5000 two-way. It has a very rare, extra tall 12-foot mast. It also has a full refurbish, new paint, 70% tires all the way around. Now this is a two-way model, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm going to let you know, I think we're to use Moffett Capital of the USA. Now we're going to go ahead and continue. We go in here, we look for anything wrong that we can find. We look for wearable items that are very common that need replaced, such as pins, bushings, mast bearings, rollers, chains, anything of that nature. Any kind of leak, hoses, hydraulic cylinders. We find these things. If we find them wrong, if we do a pressure and leak test and a full gambit of checklists on this unit, what we do is we go ahead and fix those things. We're so confident of this refurbished process, what we do is we go ahead and give you an operational guarantee. What that simply means is we're going to back you up. If this thing shows up any different condition I've shown you here today, we're here to help. You can buy with confidence online. Now check out how clean this thing is. Look, you have date-coded filters too. Fully serviced, so you can go right to work and know when you need to change the oil. Now we take the gray things off, many of these gray components, not like the mast, but we take off like this cage, the seat, the diamond plating, some of these other covers that are gray. Then we paint it separately. That way we can get in there and clean it well, get the paint in all the crevices so it lasts a long time. If we were outside, this thing would glisten right in the sun. I also want to point out you have a backrest here. I'm going to walk around and show you the engine bay. Look how nice the tires are. Okay, check out this engine bay. Wow, almost like new. Now this Kubota engine comes with a full 30-day warranty provided from us. The operational guarantee is just when it shows up, but when you have this, you're going to have coverage on the engine for 30 days. I see evidence of new hoses here, so anytime we find something wrong, we fix it. Now Carrie's going to hop in here, and we're going to drive it around a little bit so you can see how nice it works. First, we'll show you some hydraulic operations. There's your mast and forks going up and down with your backrest. That Kubota engine just fired right to life. There's your tilt and side shift. Wow. There's your outriggers. Put your mast back. There's your mast going in and out. Now we're going to drive it just a little bit so you can see how nice the hydraulic motors are all in sync. Steering's tight, hydraulic pump works great, engine sounds awesome. This baby's a beast. 12-foot mast, that's so hard to find now. Very, very rare. Now, ladies and gentlemen, why even buy new? Save money. Now, you can check us out on the web. 99lifts.com. Check out our website, 99lifts.com. You can also check us out and give us a call at 260-238-4998. 260-238-4998. If this is not the year, the model, or even the brand you want, we have dozens in stock, hundreds or more outside, ready to go through the aforementioned refurbished process. I want to thank you for watching this video and wish you a blessed day.